Welcome to Mr. Academia channel. We remind you that subscribe to our channel to enjoy all our lessons and you get notifications for all our lessons and our videos. Share with your friends, comment on our lessons such that you get the best out of our lessons. So we are going to look at the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon and also the interior angles of polygons. So if we look at convex polygons, the sum of all the exterior angles is equivalent to 360 degrees, or all the exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. Then if you have to look at the size of each exterior angle, we look at the number of sides which the polygon has. So that means that the exterior angle will be got by using the formula. The size of the exterior angle is 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. So if you look at an example, we find the measure of the exterior angle of a regular hexagon. So we know that the hexagon has 6 sides, so we shall get 360 degrees. We divide by the number of sides, which is 6, and finally the number of sides, the size of the angle is 60 degrees, which is the size of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon. If you have to look at the interior angle sum of all polygons, or what we call convex polygons, so any polygon which has n sides, the sum or the measure of the interior angle is given by the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So n here stands for the number of sides still, and we can also use n minus 2 to give us the number of triangles that can be formed from that polygon, where n is the number of sides. So if we look at the table, this table here, it shows us, or it summarizes some of the polygons with their sides, the number of triangles that can be got from those polygons, and also the interior angle sum, or the measure of the interior angles. So if we start with a triangle which has 3 sides, it forms only one triangle using the formula n minus 2. Then it has the interior angle sum as 180 degrees. If a polygon has 4 sides, of course, there are many polygons with 4 sides. For example, rectangles, squares, parallelograms. So they form 2 triangles, and then the measure of the interior angles is 360. If the sides are 5, 3 triangles, 540. If the sides are 6, this is it. But the general formula is down here, or it is shown down here. If we look at how big each interior angle is, so to get the size of each interior angle, we first look for the sum of all the interior angles. Of course, that is got by using this formula here, which we've looked at before, and then we divide by the number of sides, which is n. So that's why we're having n minus 2 multiplied by n. If you look at an example, find the sum of interior angles of a regular pentagon and how big is each angle of a regular pentagon. So to get the sum of the interior angles of a regular pentagon, we use this formula here, where n is 5, since a pentagon has 5 sides. So we end up getting the answer as 540 degrees. Then each angle adds up, or the size of each angle is 540 degrees divided by 5, which is 180 degrees, since it is a regular pentagon. So remember to share, subscribe to the channel to get notifications for all our lessons. Otherwise, thank you for watching.